Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious discada at home. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so for this recipe you can use your favorite meat or whatever you have in your fridge. I'm going to begin by heating up my skillet, so set it at medium-high heat. And once it's hot, I'm going to begin by cooking my bacon. So I'm just going to cook my bacon for about 5 minutes. Just cut it into pieces and separate it. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of pork loin. Chop it into small pieces. And I'm just going to season my meat with black pepper, garlic salt, and a little bit of salt. So just mix it together. And this one we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. And at the same time, I'm going to add 2 jalapenos and 3 barbecue onions. So just allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we're going to remove the onions and jalapenos. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 pound of cubed beef, 1 pound of ground beef, and 1/2 pound of chorizo. Just break it all down. And we're going to cook it for another 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, add the sausage, weenies, or ham. I'm using sausage. This is the one I'm using. We're going to cook that for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, taste your meat for salt. At this point, the meat should be fully cooked. Mine is ready. Mine is good. So now we're going to add 3 minced garlic cloves, 4 Roma tomatoes, 1 onion, chopped chile serrano, and 1 green pepper. So now we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. And at this point, you can add beer if you're like my tios, or just skip on it and be more like my mom. But this is almost done. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to add 1/2 cup of El Pato hot sauce, or you can use a whole can, along with chopped cilantro. Now we're just going to mix it, give it a couple more minutes, and then we can get everything ready to serve it in tacos. Okay, and after a couple minutes, we have our delicious discada. Now, of course, when you make it in the disco, you just scoot everything over and cook your tortillas in there. So we're just going to try to do that. Just going to cook my tortillas in there and allow them to heat up. Or you can just absorb the oil with the tortillas, cook them in your comal. However you want to enjoy your tacos. And then we can put our tacos together and get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, their taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these tacos don't need anything. All they need is a good salsita and of course a little lime. And the salsita que pique. And I will leave the link in the description box. But just like that. And of course, in Mexico, this dish brings so much memories, because that's when my whole family got together outside. My tios will be cooking and drinking, and while they're doing that, they will grab their taquitos. So by the time because we call it so by the time it was done, my tios will be already stuffed because they will be eating while making it. But it's honestly a super easy dish and it feeds a lot of people. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Mm-hmm. Mm. Seriously, the best. It has everything. So flavorful. It's so simple yet so flavorful. Without tortillas. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my delicious discada. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.